So keyword research for a link wheel is pretty much the same as it is for a normal website. You come to the Google external keyword tool or whatever your particular favorite tool is and do some searches. So we're going to say we're going to look for, let's go for natural weight loss is the keyword we're going to look for. Now we can change our location here. So let's pick United States. In fact, let's pick all countries. And you can see they've updated the tool slightly because you can add filters in it. So I might want to say, well, I only want global monthly searches over 1,000. Anything less than that I'm not really interested in because there's not enough traffic to make it worth my while. So we'll look for all countries and all languages, and we can have this filter. And we're actually going to take this filter out just for this example. So we've set it to all countries and all languages. So basically this gives us an idea of how many searches there are in total. Now if I wanted to know just how many English searches there were, I could use this option here. But I want, for this example, I want to know exactly how many there are across the whole world. So let's do all languages and let's click on search. Okay, now you can see here it's come up with some search results for us. And you can see it gives us the keyword and global monthly searches here. Now if I click on this column here, it will sort them by global monthly searches, which just makes it a little bit easier for us to look at it. So you can see it's given us lots of different ideas for keywords as well as the keyword we searched for. So you've got natural weight loss, that's got 135,000 searches, that's a good one, and many more. Now if we scroll down, we get to the lower end. These are what we call the long tail keywords. These are much easier to target. So what you may do with your link wheel is you may want to target some of these lower competition, lower searches ones, which usually have less competition. You may want to go down as far as even some of these that are sort of 700 or 800 searches a month, because these should be relatively easy for you to rank for, so you can get your spokes of your link wheel ranking. So we're going to say we're going to look at, let's just take this keyword here, natural weight loss. In fact, no, quick natural weight loss. So what we'll do is it's got 1,600 searches, so let's go and check Google. What we do is we put it in quotes, and we do a Google search, and we look at the competing sites. Now there's only 36,900 competing sites, so that will be a green light. Basically anything under about 50, 60,000 is good to go for. You can see it's a keyword that makes money. There's lots of advertisers down this side, and if we look at what's in here, you can see, right, well, what's top? There's a Go articles. This is user generated content. These look like sales pages. There's another article there. So this looks like it'd be a good keyword to target. So one thing we can do as well is, if we're looking for more ideas, is we go here to the Google Wonder Wheel. Now the Wonder Wheel is a great tool, and what it does is it shows us other keywords related to it, and natural weight loss remedies, and when you click on each one, it's going to give you more and more ideas. So it's a good way to find out what Google thinks are related keywords to your keyword. So it's a very, very powerful thing to do. Now when it comes to using your keywords, what you want to do is you want to use your main keyword. So if a quick natural weight loss is my main keyword, I'm going to use that, say, 70% of the time in my link wheel linking. I will pick other keywords from here, and I will use these keywords probably around about 30%. The reason being is if all your link wheels are using the same keyword, then that's obviously going to give it away to Google. It leaves a footprint. So what we want to do is we want to minimize the footprint that we leave. So using sort of 30% of other keywords as a rough figure means that not all links are coming from the same keyword, so it gives that more, shall we say, natural look. Plus, it's going to help your site obviously rank for those other keywords. And that's pretty much all you need to do with keyword research. So you'd write these down, put them in Notepad, whatever it might be. You'd keep track of these keywords, and then you start using them as we go through. Now remember, these keywords are also going to be in your content, so they'll be in the title. Your main of each link wheel spoke, the main keywords are going to be in the title. So I might have quick natural weight loss at Squidoo, for example, and so on. I might end up having to put the word tips or put dashes in it, or secrets or advice or help or something in it at the end so that it's still the main keyword, but I want the main keyword there because that's very, very important in getting it to rank. And once you've got these, you're ready to move on to the next stage where we're going to start creating the link wheel itself.